Welcome back. Well, Lauren, it's a big day for us dads tomorrow. We're looking for a good forecast.
Yes, it is, and hopefully I can bring you one. Hopefully you like the heat because it's going to be a little bit like today, but a couple of degrees warmer, and it's going to be just as humid. It was a pretty sticky, almost uncomfortably muggy day today.
It was.
Yeah, that helped kind of spark off a couple of those showers and thunderstorms. Now, Kentucky does need the rain, though, so we were lucky for that, but you know, we could have held off on the severe thunderstorm that we had. Luckily, we did only have one in Fleming, Bath, and Rowan County. You can see over the past several hours, though, things have come to an end quickly after sunset, but we did have a little bit of activity off to our west. The bluegrass in the downtown metro area staying dry, though, for most of the afternoon. We had a couple of sprinkles, but most of the activity, again, just stayed to our west and then to our east. We have a great time lapse out in Breathitt County in Jackson. This is from earlier on in the afternoon at around 6 o'clock. You can see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. We had a couple of downpours, and then we had a beautiful rainbow and a little bit of that cooling and the rain-soaked air. We do have a little bit of fog forming in the valleys as well, so make sure you take it slow if you are headed out early in the morning. We did have a little bit of rainfall out of the system, especially off to our west and just to the east of Louisville. Shelbyville picking up almost 4 inches of rainfall, and that really only happened in the course of a couple of minutes. So a lot of rainfall out of that, but you can see the bluegrass in the downtown metro area of Lexington, we stayed dry. We didn't pick up any precipitation, or at least we didn't measure any. Also right around the Lake Cumberland region and in south central Kentucky, Monticello picking up right around 1/4 of an inch and right a little bit above the 3/4 of an inch in Jackson. So that's where they're experiencing a little bit of the fog formation. You can see Monticello reducing visibilities to around the 2.5 mile range and under a mile reduced visibilities in Jackson. So again, take it slow if you're headed out this evening or early tomorrow morning. Right now, 72 degrees in Lexington, dew points in the upper 60s, relative humidity at 84%. So still a little muggy out there. The winds have died down right now out of the southeast at around 5 to 6 miles an hour. 72 here in Lexington, 64 in Jackson, a little bit of that rain-cooled air, 69 in Corbin, and 65 degrees right now in Monticello. So a little bit cooler where they had those showers as well. The wind's dying down, either calm or at around 5 miles an hour. We're only going to drop down into the upper 60s tonight, so it is going to be a mild night and another hot Father's Day, much like it was today, but even a couple of degrees warmer. We do have a cold front right off to our west that is associated with that shower and thunderstorm activity. Now, as we head into the next several days, that's going to be nearing the state of Kentucky, but it's going to be passing by just to our north, keeping those rain chances off to our north. Now, as far as tonight is concerned, most of us will stay dry, but we can't rule out at least a stray storm chance, especially for the bluegrass, but most of us will stay dry. You can see those rain chances staying off to our north tomorrow, hot and humid. And we do have another chance for a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of these could become strong for our Father's Day afternoon. So if you do have any outdoor plans with your dad, make sure you do have a backup plan in case you're caught under one of these storms. But the greatest chance for strong storms is going to be, the greatest threat with those is going to be some gusty winds and some small hail and maybe an isolated severe chance, but widespread severe thunderstorms not expected. Those will clear after sunset, much like today, and another chance for a couple of scattered showers on Monday. An overnight low tonight of 67 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Patchy fog, especially in the valley areas and the areas that received a little bit of rainfall. A stray storm chance, maybe just 1 or 2 isolated storms. A high of 88 degrees for our Father's Day, a little bit above average. Scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. A couple of those could become strong, so just make sure you have a backup plan or a backup barbecue indoors if you are doing that, or if you're headed out to the golf course. Official start of summer is Wednesday, and it is going to be hot.
All right. Well, we're looking forward to all of it, and there's always a backup plan.
Of course.
Always. Appreciate it, Lauren.